So this is a quick demo of Medium, where you basically can draw in VR. You can change the size of things here, which is kind of cool. So if we're making I don't know, some kind of horned something, it's pretty awesome. You can also hit the menu and go to Erase, where you can then, erase. Just like that. Lots of options here. We have different brushes, lots of different brushes actually with all those. And then on the other hand, we can save it to work on later. We can export, let's do that, as say an OBJ so that we can 3D print it. So this runs off of your computer connected via a USB-C cable to my Quest 3 headset. It needs the computer to help power the app. For most of these 3D drawing apps, you'll have that. Enjoy!